In Python, variables are used to store values. The values stored in a variable can be of different data types such as string, integer, float, boolean, etc. Here are some of the most commonly used data types in Python. Integer. An integer is a whole number and can be positive, negative, or zero. For example, x is equal to 42. Float. A float is a number with a decimal point. For example, y is equal to 3.14. String. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes, either single or double quotes. For example, name is equal to in double quotes John Doe. Boolean. A boolean is a data type that can only have two values, true or false. For example, is_student is equal to true. List. A list is a collection of values that can be of different data types. Lists are defined using square brackets. For example, students, Alice, Bob, Charlie. Tuple. A tuple is similar to a list, but it's immutable, meaning the elements of a tuple cannot be changed after they are defined. Tuples are defined using parentheses. For example, point is equal to 1, 2. Dictionary. A dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs. The keys and values in a dictionary can be of different data types. Dictionaries are defined using curly brackets. For example, person is equal to name, Jane, age, 30. It's important to choose the appropriate data type for your variables based on the values you need to store. In Python, the data type of a variable is automatically determined based on the value assigned to it.